Hello everyone. Let us learn Social Studies Chapter 1 and Chapter 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All the best for your exams. Write neatly. Let us start. Chapter 1. The Story of Early Human. Question number 1. What is evolution? What do you know about hominins? The process of gradual growth and development is called evolution. It is believed that human beings evolved from hominins. One of the best known remains of an early species of hominin were found in Africa. It is 4.4 million years old. Over a period of time, hominins evolved as they adapted to their surroundings, finally transforming into modern human beings. Question number 2. Differentiate between Australopithecus and we will not do this chapter. Come to chapter number 11. Question number 1. What is an eclipse? Name the two types of eclipse. Answer. When a heavenly body casts its shadow on another heavenly body, it is called an eclipse. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse are the two types of eclipse. Question number 2. Write three differences between solar and lunar eclipse. Three differences between solar and lunar eclipse are solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The moon blocks the sunlight and casts its shadow on the earth. The earth blocks the sunlight and casts its shadow on the moon. It occurs during a new moon. It occurs during a full moon. It can be seen during the day. It can be seen at night. It lasts for a few minutes. It lasts for a few hours. It is harmful to look directly at the sun during a solar eclipse because it will affect our eyesight. It is safe to watch lunar eclipse as it will not affect our eyesight. Which type of solar eclipse will you see if you are standing in the umbra? For how long can you see this eclipse? If I am standing in the umbra, then I will see total solar eclipse. I can see this eclipse for up to 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Fourth question. How many types of lunar eclipse are there? Write how they are different. There are two types of lunar eclipse. They are total lunar eclipse and partial lunar eclipse. The differences between them are total lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the full moon is completely covered by the Earth's shadow. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when a part of the moon is covered by the Earth's shadow. During a total lunar eclipse, the blood moon is visible. During a partial lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow on the moon appears very dark. It is a very rare phenomenon. It occurs twice every year. Next question. Why do birds fly back to their nest during a total solar eclipse? During a total solar eclipse, the sky becomes dark. The birds mistake this darkness with twilight and fly back to their nest. What type of an eclipse is this? This is a total solar lunar eclipse. Why does this heavenly body appear red? The moon appears red during total lunar eclipse because as some sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, the atmosphere filters out most of the blue light and gives the moon a reddish appearance. What is the name given to the heavenly body because of its reddish appearance? The moon is called the blood moon because of its reddish appearance. Write the answers. This natural phenomenon occurs when one heavenly body casts its shadow on another heavenly body. Eclipse. This type of eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. Solar eclipse. This heavenly body casts its shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse. Earth. This type of eclipse occurs during a full moon. Lunar eclipse. The moon appears reddish during this type of astral lunar eclipse. Write true or false. The earth casts its shadow on the moon during a solar eclipse. False. Total solar eclipse is visible from that part of the earth that lies in the umbra. True. A lunar eclipse occurs during the night. True. It is harmful to watch a lunar eclipse. False. The moon is visible during a total lunar eclipse. True. Chapter 12, India and her neighbors. Question number 1. Where is India located in the world? Write the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. India is located in the southern part of Asia. The latitudinal extent of India is from 37 degrees 6 north in the north to 8 degrees 4 and north in the south, and the longitudinal extent is from 68 degrees 7 E in the west to 97 degrees 25 E in the east. Write the names of India's neighbors across the sea. Write about their location with reference to India. India's neighbors across the sea are Sri Lanka, Maldives. Both the neighboring countries are located in the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is located to the southeast of India. Maldives is located to the southwest of India. Question number 3. Which countries are the landlocked neighbors of India? Write the names of 2 important cities located in each of these countries. The landlocked neighbors of India are Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan. The 2 important cities of Afghanistan are Kabul, Kandahar, Jalalabad and Herat. Nepal are Kathmandu, Pokhara, Biratnagar and Birendranagar. Bhutan are Paro and Phueng Sholing. In which countries are the Terai and Duars plains located? The Terai plain is located in Nepal while the Duars plain is located in Bhutan. Name the plantation crops grown in Sri Lanka. The plantation crops grown in Sri Lanka are tree, rubber, coconut, cocoa and spices. Why is fishing not a major economic activity in Afghanistan, Nepal and Bhutan? Fishing is not a major economic activity in Afghanistan, Nepal and Bhutan because all these are landlocked countries. Fill in the blanks. The Bay of Bengal lies to the east of the Indian peninsula. Maldives is located in the Indian Ocean. Karachi is a port city in Pakistan. River Huang He flows through China. Piduru Talagala is the highest peak in Sri Lanka. Let's move to chapter number 13. The name of the chapter is India, Climate and Natural Vegetation. Question number 1. Name the factors which affect the climate of India. The factors which affect the climate of India are location, physical features and distance from the sea. What is Lu? In which season is it common? Hot and dry wind that blows over many parts of North India is called Lu. It is common during the summer season. What role do the western disturbances play? The western disturbances cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. This results in very cold weather and fog. How are monsoon winds useful? The monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. While passing through the seas, they pick up a lot of moisture. This moisture causes rainfall in most parts of India. Next question. How are natural vegetation important to us? The natural vegetation are important to us in the following ways. They give pure air, wood, fruit, oils, gum and medicinal herbs. Wood from trees is used to make furniture, paper, pencils and many other things. They are home to animals. They prevent soil erosion. Next question. What is the difference between afforestation and reforestation? The planting of trees in an area that was not a forest earlier is called afforestation. The planting of trees on a deserted land is called reforestation. List the different types of natural vegetation found in India. The different types of natural vegetation found in India are tropical evergreen forest, deciduous or monsoon forest, dry deciduous forest, thorn or desert vegetation, mountain or montane forest, mangrove or tidal forest. Next question. Why does Thiruvananthapuram remain cool even during summer? During summer, the cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal area cool. Thiruvananthapuram is located on the coast. Therefore, the cool breeze from the Arabian Sea keeps Thiruvananthapuram cool during summer. In which type of forest will you find these trees? These trees are found in the mangrove or tidal forests. Next write one-word answers. The season when days are longer and the nights are shorter, summer. The month when winter begins, November. A sea other than Arabian Sea from which monsoon wind blows into India, Bay of Bengal. Forest found in areas flooded by high tides of sea area, mangrove. Cutting trees on a large scale, deforestation. Match the following. Dust storms, summer. Fog, winter. Rainy, monsoon. Sandalwood, deciduous. Mountain, coniferous. We have completed chapter number 13. Let us move to chapter number 14. And after that, 15. No, we'll end at chapter number 14 only. First question, classify the components of the environment. On the basis of origin, the components of the environment are divided into two types. They are natural components and human-made components. The components created by nature are called natural components, while those created by people are called human-made components. The natural components are further subdivided into two types: biotic or living things and abiotic or non-living things. Next question, what is interdependence? How has the interdependence among countries stronger? The dependence between two or more people, things, countries, or regions on each other is known as interdependence. The interdependence among countries has become stronger through international trade. Third question, how have man-made local events impacted the global environment? Human-made local events impact the global environment. Events such as deforestation, burning of coal, petroleum and natural gas to generate electricity, and fumes from vehicles release carbon dioxide in the air. These events increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which in turn leads to global warming. Question number 4. What is global warming? How does the greenhouse effect cause global warming? A gradual increase in the Earth's temperature is called global warming. The greenhouse effect is a natural phenomenon in which greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor allow the sun's rays to pass through the atmosphere and warm up the Earth's surface. These gases trap some of the heat energy and make the Earth a livable place for all living beings. However, due to increase in different human activities, excess greenhouse gases accumulate in the atmosphere, which heats up the atmosphere more than the natural greenhouse effect. This causes air temperature to rise around the world thus leading to global warming. Question number 5. List 3 impacts of global warming. 3 impacts of global warming are climate change, rise in the level of seawater due to increase in melting of glacial ice, flooding of coastal areas due to